Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add space after bullet word. You are going to open the Word document to see the text with the bullets. First, from the View menu, check the ruler box so that it is visible. Select the text and drag the left indent to the desired position. Now click on first line indent and set to the left. This will move the bullet. As an extra method, select the text with the bullets. When doing so, from the Insert menu, click on Table and click on Insert Table. You can see that the text automatically becomes in this format. After that, click on Insert again, and in Table, click on Draw Table. Draw the line between the text and the bullet. After this, click on the cross sign to select the table. When you do, right-click on it and choose Table Properties. In this window, click on Borders and Shading. Check the None option and click OK to save the changes. Finally, you need to adjust the column width so that the bullet spacing is set. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.